Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and more. Welcome back to our channel. Today I am coming along with two hauls. One is from Echo Park and the other one is from Michael's. Michael's is a very short haul. It's just 3 items. And Echo Park was a mystery box. So I'm so excited to show you guys what I received on that one. So let me start with the Michael's one first. So I did get the Hudson cart, and anything over $49.99 was free shipping. So I went ahead and also got these right here. I had been looking for gold foil paper. I don't think I have this. I do have a matte looking color that is very don't like it. So I was really happy and excited that I found this one, and I got this one. And then I also got this Craftsmith. I was talking to Brenda the other day, and hi Brenda, and she mentioned that she had gotten this one, and I did tell her I had one from Michael's that was pretty old, and so since I was there on my shopping cart, I decided to go ahead and get this one. So this one does say the year, so 2025. The other one I think I had was from, I don't know, 2023 maybe, 20 17, I don't know, they're different years. So yeah, that's where they're I was so excited to get this one because it does have a lot of different colors, and yay, and it's a 12 by 12, so awesome. So that's my small haul from Michael's. And then so let me go ahead and show you what I ended up getting from Echo Park, you guys. Oh, I almost showed you my address. Hopefully I didn't show you my address. Let me go ahead and open it like that. And ooh, this was a mystery box, you guys. This was the $50 mystery box. Sometimes they have the mini box, and the mini box is usually $35. When I opened it, I almost screamed. You guys, I got 2 of these. Oh my gosh, I was so excited. So this is a here comes the sun. So awesome, summer is coming, so I can use these in the summer. So excited. So yay. And then I also got this one. This one is good to be home. And you guys, so it does have doubles. It does show you here what you get right here. And let me show you the other one. Sorry if I went too fast. So you do get 2 pages of each right here. So my summer one and my fall one. So I believe this is more like a kitchen, but I can use this for fall. So excited to have this one. And then I also got some Christmas, and this one is home for the holidays. You guys could see, and that's nice. It's just like basically frames. So yay. And then this one is Happy Christmas. And oh, aren't that cute, you guys? Oh my goodness. So I believe home for Christmas is this one right here. So it goes with the ephemera that I also received. And there you guys go. That is what you get in it. So excited. And they just had another sale. They're always having sales. So if you guys are on their email list, you guys will get sales. Usually these go for $15.99 regular price, and sometimes they get reduced to $7.50. And when they do have a sale, sometimes these are $5. So they just have the Winnie the Pooh one, and of course I had to get it. I had been eyeing Winnie the Pooh for a while, so I'm so excited to be getting that soon. So yay. Anyways, this one also came with the Let's Create, and it is more of a crafty or sewing paper. And you guys, this one can be used for fall as well if you want. And there you go. And I think these are one-sided. Oh no, double-sided. These are all double-sided paper, so yay. And I also received this deep blue sea. You guys go. I can always use this one for my summer. So there you guys go. Oh my goodness, it is a boy theme. But you guys, guess what? You can use a lot of these for birthdays, you know, cards or anything. So yay, there you go. And then this was a free. If you ordered anything over a certain amount, you get a free ephemera, or yeah, framelits and tags, and this is what you get. So I got this additional free, huh? Anyways, so this is at home, and these are basically little like ephemeras, like oh, they're not actually adhesive brads. So there you guys go, but these are ephemeras right here. So happy to get these. Can use these for the fall. And then so these are the advertisements that they usually have. Love this, hip hip hooray. Oh, I can't wait to see what it looks like in real life person. And they sent me 2 and 2. I'm not too sure why. And then I also got this it's Easter time, so yay, because of course you guys, it's still going to be Easter. I can still use these right here. I also got this ephemera, and this one is fall fun, so I can use this for fall. Lovely colors. You can actually use these any other time. It doesn't have to be necessarily fall. So there you go. And then I got this, and I think, is it this one the same at home? Yeah, it was. Yeah, it looks like at home. And this is Cartabella. Sorry for getting. These are puffy stickers. So aren't those cute? Oh my goodness. Aren't those so cute? So I can use that. And I was so excited. I got another paper pad for Wish Upon a Star. Okay, so basically I do have a little bit of paper pads from Echo Park from Disney themed. And it's usually Wish Upon a Star or something else. I got that one, and I got the ephemera. So yay! Can't wait to use this. Gotta use them up. And then I also got the Flora number 5, and these are tags and framelits, and this is what they look like in the back. There you go. And then I just noticed that I got another at home titles and phrases. Love the titles and phrases. Helps so much with comment, or putting something on your tags, or putting cards or anything. So let me see, I can't read, you guys, so if you guys can read that, yay. My eyes are bad right now. And finally, the fall market. So can all these other ephemerals can be used with this right here. Even this one right here can be used with this one right here. So isn't that cute? I'm not much of an autumn fall user, but you know what? I'm so excited to be using my fall this year. That is my main thing that I'm going to be doing this year. But there's some items that don't necessarily have to be fall, so yay for that. Anyways, so there you guys go. Thank you guys for taking the time to watch. Hopefully you guys enjoyed my video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I hope you guys do support me and show me some love and support. Anyways, thank you guys for taking the time to watch, and we will see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.